Chess is a great game of strategy that you will enjoy, but first, you must learn the basics. In this video, we will show you the following 3 things to get you started on your chess journey. 1. The chessboard. We will help you get familiar with the board, including proper orientation. 2. The pieces. We will help you get to know the name of the pieces. 3. Board setup. We will show you where to place the pieces when setting up the board for a game. Let's get started. The chessboard. The chessboard consists of 64 squares arranged in 8 rows and 8 columns. The squares are arranged in 2 alternating colors, white and black. When getting ready to play a game, the board must be positioned properly between the 2 players sitting across from each other. When sitting across from your opponent, the board is properly positioned when a white square is at the bottom right corner of the board from each player's perspective. If a black square is at the bottom right corner of the board, rotate the board until a white square occupies that space. Each square of the chessboard is identified by a unique coordinate pair, a letter and a number, from white's point of view. White is at the bottom of our screen. Black is at the top of our screen. The vertical columns of squares, called files, are labeled A through H. The horizontal rows of squares, called ranks, are numbered 1 to 8 starting from white's side of the board. As an example of identifying pieces on the board using a coordinate, the white pawn is placed on G2, and the black pawn is on B7. More about coordinates later. 2. The pieces. There are 32 pieces total, 16 white and 16 black. They are 1 white and 1 black king. They usually have a cross at the top. 1 white and 1 black queen, which has a crown at the top. 2 white and 2 black rooks, the castles. 2 white and 2 black bishops. 2 white knights and 2 black knights, the horses. And 8 white and 8 black pawns. 3. Board setup. The 8 white pawns are placed on A2, B2, C2, D2, E2, F2, G2, and H2. The 8 black pawns are placed on A7, B7, C7, D7, E7, F7, G7, and H7. The 2 white rooks are placed on A1 and H1. The 2 black rooks are placed on A8 and H8. The 2 white knights are placed on B1 and G1. The 2 black knights are placed on B8 and G8. The 2 white bishops are placed on C1 and F1. The 2 black bishops are placed on C8 and F8. The white queen is placed on D1. The black queen is placed on D8. The white king is placed on E1, and the black king is placed on E8. Now that the board is set up, your game is ready to be played.